Introducing Dragon Speech Tips, MindManager Dragon Professional Add-on. Installs over 2,000 voice commands including natural language variations that enable users of MindManager to seamlessly create mind maps and perform software functions by voice. Wake up. Edit this topic. Various parts of the human body. Press Enter. Edit new topic. Major organs. Add subtopic. Edit topic. Brain, liver, kidneys, lungs, heart. Press Enter. Split topic. Select the topic Major organs. Collapse topic. A point to notice is that even though the topics may be hidden from view, they can still be found and selected, which is useful in those larger mind maps. Select the topic Kidneys. Add subtopic. How the kidneys function full stop. The renal pelvis full stop. The renal artery full stop. Press Enter. Word count this topic. Click OK. Read this topic.
How the kidneys function, the renal pelvis, the renal artery.
Split by full stops. Collapse topic. Expand topic. Insert parent topic. Undo that. Select central topic. Insert two topics. Move up. Move down. Edit this topic. Major muscles. Press Enter. Edit previous topic. The nervous system. Press Enter. Move topic down. Select the topic Major muscles. Add two subtopics. Go left. Add boundary. Remove boundary. Select the topic The nervous system. Add subtopic. Spinal nerves. Press Enter. Convert to callout. Make this priority 1. Convert to topic. Select central topic. Add note. Open dictation box. This is a brief demonstration showcasing the creation of mind maps using voice commands full stop. I can dictate precise terms relevant to the MindManager software to execute various functions full stop. Click Transfer. Hide note. Add link. www.dragonspeechtips.com. Click OK. Add attachment. Click Cancel. Balance map. Fit map. Export to Microsoft Word. Click Cancel. Click Yes. Change to outline view. Switch to map view. Select the topic major organs. Isolate topic. Show all topics. Select the topic brain. Change text to red. Change fill to yellow. Select the topic major muscles. Change shape to circle. Change shape to diamond. Fit map. Go to central topic. Go to sleep.